Hello, today we'll be installing the Peroni booster. First, we'll take the Peroni booster and slide off the ISOFIX connector. Next, we'll install the booster onto the car seat's ISOFIX brackets. I will then verify the stability of the car seat. To demonstrate, I will use a bear to show how to install the seat belt. Make sure that the seat belt goes below the armrests on both sides. Then make sure it is properly strapped. The ISOFIX connector of the device needs to be fully extended. Otherwise, the connector will slide back and it won't be able to attach itself onto the anchor.
If the indicators turn green, you may push the seat all the way in.
To remove it, it is as easy. Press to remove the seat belt, then there. For the booster, I will once again press on each side to remove the connectors onto the ISOFIX anchors. Hello, today I will show you how to properly install a car seat belt onto a Peroni booster. Let me show you. I'll put in place the Peroni booster. Make sure it is placed. To demonstrate, I will use my bear. It is well seated. Then, when you install the car seat belt, make sure it goes under the Peroni's booster armrests. Buckled up and is tight and firm. To remove, it is as easy. Unbuckle the car seat belt. Remove the bear and remove the Peroni booster. There it is. I will now show you how to install the belt guider onto the Peroni booster. First, I will need to turn the booster, detach the backrest from the bar, then install the belt guider strap under the bar, hook it properly in position, make sure there are no twists onto the strap, put back the backrest, the belt guider is facing the car seat, and the booster is well positioned. I will now demonstrate how to install the car seat belt onto the belt guider. Now, the main purpose of the belt guider is to prevent any injuries to the child during a car crash. Now, to do so, make sure that your belt guider is at the height of the shoulder. I will install the strap. Then the car seat belt goes under the Peroni booster's armrests on each side. Buckle up, no twist onto the strap, and it is tightly in position. There it is. Hi, I will show you how to remove the Peroni backrest and change it for the Peroni Plus. It is quite easy. Simply remove the backrest from the bar, like so. Then I will install the Peroni Plus backrest onto the bar and back into its original position. And there it is, the Peroni Plus.